Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce you the new generation of vibration recorder, VC222. VC222 is a triaxial geophone sensor with 24-bit resolution ADC for vibration applications, featuring an on-site DIN 4153 calculation and IP67 waterproof aluminum enclosure. The sensors have a dynamic range of 130 dB. The internal sensor is standard, or you can also use an external sensor. Please contact our sales representative before you order. VC222 is not only able to store data locally, but can also upload the data to the cloud via FTP protocol. Let's unbox and check out all the parts shown in this picture. Here we have an internal sensor model, one VC222, two Allen keys, a set of anchor screw, two connectors, one big and one small, and a set of universal power adapter. Now, we move on to the outlook of VC222. An LCD display, a function button, a leveling bubble, a sensor socket for external model, an auxiliary socket for control, a power socket, a network socket. Here's the pin configuration for power port, auxiliary socket, and sensor socket. Now, we move on to installation. For the orientation setting, you can choose northward or eastward based on your installation, but the northward will be set as default. Please refer to the picture regarding the orientation description of northward and eastward. For each orientation setting, there are 3 coordinate systems shown in this picture. Here's a friendly reminder. The XYZ coordinate system will be used in DIN report. Northward, ABC coordinate system, A, B, C. XYZ coordinate system, Z, X, Y. ZNE coordinate system, Z, N, E. Eastward, ABC coordinate system, A, B, C. XYZ coordinate system, Z, X, Y. ZNW coordinate system, Z, N, W. Next is leveling. Please utilize the 3 leveling screws to center the bubble. For more detail about configuration setting and web interface, you can refer to our other tutorial. The VC222 will power on after you plug in the power socket. The LCD will display booting for about 20 seconds. Then you will see the product name and its software version on the first row. VC222 uses one-button operation. This specific function will be triggered based on the seconds you press. While you are pressing the function button, you can see the seconds counting down on the display. The function list is shown in this chart. Normally, 4 seconds in button push is the most important function for reloading any changed settings. 1 second, display IP. 2 seconds, NTP reload. 3 seconds, cancel. 4 seconds, hard reload. 5 seconds, display software version. 6 seconds, soft reload. 7 seconds, update software via FTP. 8 seconds, continuous recording. 9 seconds, enter testing mode. 10 seconds, backup software. 12 seconds, shutdown. After you have finished monitoring, you can press the button for 12 seconds to turn off VC222. The LCD will display power off after about 10 seconds. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.Sanlian.com for more information or contact our sales representative at any time. Sanlian Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.